Virtual teams and remote working. How to successfully work remotely and lead virtual teams. Written by Andrew James Robinson. Narrated by Christopher Branam. Introduction. The concept of virtual or remote teams is not a new phenomenon. However, technological updates, globalization, organizational structures and ways of working, and recently, a pandemic, have meant that approach has grown significantly. People now have many more opportunities of working from home, from the car, in alternative places or even other parts of the world, which means managers may rarely see them. As a result, managers who are called to lead these virtual teams not only have to face the unusual leadership dilemmas, but they must be able to adapt to these challenges in an environment in which the rules have totally changed. The question is it really possible to manage effectively and productively a team of people distributed all over the world? Can you really make businesses with virtual teams? These are just some of the most frequently asked questions that are asked by managers or entrepreneurs who decide to start a business, not only in the United States. The answer is obviously yes. We need to change the points of view and focus on flexibility and communication, important in traditional office and indispensable in an online one, to create a team capable of collaborating, achieving objectives, and doing business. Distance should not be considered a limit. On the contrary. It was almost 15 years ago when I was assigned as a manager of a team of almost 100 people from 3 continents. Europe, several countries like Italy, France, United Kingdom, Spain, Romania, Poland, America, and Asia, China. The company I was working for was implementing a huge reorganization project, and according to the new organizational chart, many support functions have been outsourced to some service centers in Poland and Romania, and a large part of manufacturing was moved to China. It was a challenging moment for the company and for my career. I remember our CEO saying, "It will not be the last move for our company in this direction of globalization and cost efficiency strategy." And we were called to show flexibility and openness. And he was right. But what flexibility meant to him was probably different to the same concept meant for me.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?